Hello and welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. Today, I'll be walking you through the complaint feature for employees. As an employee, you can easily lodge a complaint about anything happening within your organization and send it directly to your employer. You also have the option to keep your identity anonymous or reveal who you are, whichever you prefer. To get started, click on the plus button. When you do, a menu appears. Select Lodge Complaint. A form will pop up. At the top, you'll see the title Lodge Complaint, confirming that this feature is available for staff. Now, let's go through the options. You can choose to remain anonymous by keeping the toggle on. This hides your identity. If you turn it off, your employer will be able to see who submitted the complaint. Next, under Complaint Type, you can choose from the available options, such as bullying, harassment, or unfair treatment. If your situation doesn't fit into these, select Others. Then, in the detailed description box, write your complaint. Be as clear and specific as possible to help your employer understand the issue. You can also attach supporting documents, such as screenshots or files, by uploading them here. If you upload the wrong file, don't worry. You can easily delete and replace it before submitting. Once you're done, click Submit to send your complaint, or cancel if you change your mind. After submitting, your complaint will be sent directly to your employer, and they'll receive an email notification containing all the details you provided. And that's it. That's how you lodge a complaint as an employee using the Loubby AI complaint feature. Visit loubby.ai to get started.